Okay, Apprentice said how to use the ferrule blaster. And it's fairly new, maybe the last couple of years. But this is amazing for taking off nuts and ferrules for compression angle stops under sinks. So here's how you do it. You got to back the rod out. So you just push this lever right here, boom, back the rod out. Okay. Now you can go in there and get behind the nut. Let me show you. Here's the nut. Okay. You can get behind it and then start cranking. So when you start cranking, look what happens. When you start cranking, it drives that rod forward. And at some point in time, this part on the rod right here will go inside the pipe and push against the walls, the outside walls of the pipe, and that's what creates the leverage. So as this stays on the outside wall of the pipe and you continue to crank, it pulls the nut and the ferrule right off the copper. Right? And then then you can just take your tool out, the nut and ferrule will be in here. To get the nut and ferrule out, you gotta push this rod, you gotta pull the rod, push this lever in, pull the rod back out, and it'll pull it out. Okay. You wanna move your bucket or? Nice. Beautiful thing.